Imagine, instead of looking at neighbors, you could look at nature. What if you could enjoy total privacy and seclusion instead of feeling like you're on display?
Now you can have a lush privacy screen for less than the price of an ugly fence. Trees perfect for your climate and soil that stay full and green all year long. Your dense foliage helps reduce noise from roads and barking dogs. After we install your trees, they quickly fill in to screen out construction, streets, and people. And you'll no longer have to do that polite neighbor wave thing. You'll get more enjoyment out of your yard for dining, entertaining, relaxing, and having fun. Your home is your biggest investment, and nothing increases your resale value like a living privacy fence. Your trees cost as little as a third of what many landscapers charge. You get high-quality evergreens without the problems that affect other trees. You won't have to worry about insects, disease, deer, or ice damage. They look great without pruning, so your weekends can be spent relaxing, not working. Get privacy without taking up a lot of yard space. And your foliage grows all the way to the ground without the big gaps. You can plant on slopes, in full sun, or partial shade. And since your trees have a full root system, they can be planted any time of year without damaging your yard. Your trees fill in quickly, growing up to 3 to 5 feet per year, and go from this to this. Don't put this off. Call today. The sooner you act, the sooner you'll have a full living fence that provides a lifetime of privacy.